Imagine a dessert that you can enjoy in seconds that tastes just like soft serve ice cream, but it was so healthy for you, you could even have it for breakfast. With Yonanas, you can. Just peel and freeze overripe cheetah-spotted bananas, or use your favorite frozen fruit to create healthy treats you swear is ice cream, but is made only from fruit. Simply snap and lock in place. Turn the machine on, feed frozen fruit through the chute. Alternate pieces of fruit to make that perfect blend of your favorite Yonanas. Everyone in your family can have their own custom-made Yonanas flavor. If you love strawberries, mango, peaches, or chocolate, simply feed them into the Yonanas maker to create your personal favorite. Yonanas are delicious with or without bananas. Unlike a blender or food processor with a single blade that shreds frozen fruit, Yonanas technology grinds and emulsifies 100% frozen fruit to create a treat that looks, tastes, and feels like soft serve ice cream in seconds. Easy, delicious, and dairy-free. Yonanas recipes are endless. Pies, popsicles, bonbons, tiramisu, 100% fruit, or add some chocolate. You're only limited by your imagination. And cleanup is fast and easy too because Yonanas is dishwasher safe. Wow, 100% frozen fruit. Indulge in dessert anytime and never feel guilty with Yonanas.